This Maytag 2 cubic foot over-the-range microwave offers convenient features in a modern design. Its stainless steel finish is fingerprint resistant and easy to clean, so it stays looking sleek and new. An interior rack allows you to cook more dishes at the same time. One-touch buttons allow you to instantly reheat dinner or melt chocolate or butter. Sensor cooking detects food moisture and automatically adjusts time and power settings for delicious results every time. And the rotating turntable feature can be turned off to accommodate larger cookware. And the stainless steel cavity resists splatters to help you clean less often. You can easily disable the control panel to wipe down the exterior without accidentally pressing buttons. There's also a 3-speed fan that removes smoke and vapors from your cooktop, so your kitchen stays fresh, offering delicious results in a sleek, easy-to-clean design. This is the Maytag over-the-range microwave.